Alright, decided to try to check out and see how good the difference in the video quality between these two phones are. You can see in my left hand, I got the HTC EVO 4G with an 8 meg camera. And in my right hand, I have the HTC 3D with 5 megapixel camera. So, try to get an idea here. Show you what I'm doing. People just brought me this amp. And it has, where'd it go? This is the plug that it came with. Well, it's not the plug that it came with from the factory. And as you can see, somebody's had their artistic hand at this amp. Decided to try to paint it. It's Old Punch 75 HD. Well, being that they painted it, I couldn't take the screws out, because if you look in the top, the screws penetrate through the top here. So, when I tried to take them loose, they all broke. All the heads broke off each one. But from the looks of the inside of it, overall, being a pretty old amp, it's overall on the inside is fairly clean. But what I have to do here, and this is how OCD I am, or anal, or whatever you call it. On the back side of it, this is how I know the plug that was in it is not the plug that goes to it. It has a brown and blue, white, blue, white, brown, brown, blue. On the back of this, it tells you the speaker outputs. And shows orange, black, yellow, and brown. So, seeing that I don't have the brown wire for the negative, I used the two orange and the black and then twisted them together to get a nice clean look. And of course, I won't leave them that long, I will cut them down. And then there also on this thing, it has these two little male connectors right here. So I twisted two red and black wires together, actually 4 altogether. You don't need a whole ton of power running into this thing, especially being with the little connectors that they have. I'm sure the little thing will produce more than what it's rated at. It's rated at 37.5 RMS continuous at 4 ohms. And I'm not sure if it says what else, but this right here is an updated version of it. This was the Punch 120. As you see here, onto the back side of it, it says 30 by 2 RMS at 4 ohms and 60 by 2. And I believe that if you bridge it down at 4 ohms, I think it was supposed to come out at 120. I actually had this thing bridged down, I was running it 2 channels, stereo, at 2 ohms and had it pushing 2 P3s. It wasn't beating them out of the box or anything like that, but it was pretty impressive. Needless to say, it's a little 120 watt amp, and it was actually, you could hear the truck coming down the street a pretty good ways. And as long as you didn't turn the volume way up trying to crank it, it was actually pretty clean. But I'll give you a before picture what this thing here looks like. I don't know the actual year on this, but you can see this plug as it came to me. The next video I do will be the end results. I gotta find my positive negative outputs for my speakers. Once I get this done, get it all hooked up and turned on, and maybe I'll get a chance to give you a little demo and see if it works. They told me it works. I hate going through all this hassle and all this trouble and having it not work, but I love getting the experience, you know, trying to do a little bit of different things here and there. So, well, we'll see how these videos turn out. I'll get back with you guys later.